guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make one of the best baked chicken recipes. Baked chicken with mushrooms and rice. It's delicious. Just stay with me and keep on watching. If you like my video, click the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. Let's start cooking this yummy delicious chicken. I have 5 chicken thighs with the bone. I have removed the skin, washed them and dried them very well. 14 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 2 cups of rice that I've washed very well, large chopped onion, 4-5 cloves of garlic minced, and these are my spices I'm going to use for the chicken marinade. I have 2 teaspoons dried parsley, 1.5 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, I'm sorry you can't see it, half teaspoon of each dried thyme and cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and teaspoon of salt. And I'll be using extra salt, extra pepper, and virgin olive oil during the cooking process. I will make my marinade by mixing olive oil with the spices. I'm eyeballing the olive oil. Maybe it's about 1/4 cup or so. Just go with what feels right. We want nice marinade. A little more olive oil and another mix, and that's about it. I'm gonna place all my chicken thighs in the marinade and bake them very well. It's looking good. If you have the time, you can leave these chicken thighs to stay in the marinade for about an hour or 2 hours. If you don't have the time, just marinate and go cook them. I promise you they're still gonna taste delicious. And for this recipe, I always use chicken thighs because I kinda like the dry meat more. It's more juicy, that's just my preference. I will fry my chicken thighs in a little bit of olive oil. I love the crispiness that I get on both sides. And I'm going to fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So when done, they're gonna be basically halfway cooked. Look at this. Look at this. That looks so good. This is what I need. This is what I'm looking for. A little crisp, all the spices there, and it smells delicious. I can smell the garlic. I can smell, it's so rich. It looks great, guys, and it smells great, and Now, in a little bit of oil, and I decided to add some butter, I'm going to saute my onions and my garlic, and I'll stir for a little bit until the onions soften. We're adding more taste to our dish. And right about now, I'm gonna add the mushrooms, and occasionally stirring, I'm going to cook them with the onions. I need to season the mushrooms, so I'm adding salt and black pepper to taste. Giving it a quick stir, and it's time to add the rice. Adding the rice, and now I will be stirring all the time for about 1-2 minutes, just to kind of stir fry the rice. We want to grab that stir fry, and I'll start adding now the hot water, about cup and a half What I want is to cover the mix with the water. You can substitute with 2 cups of chicken broth. Time to season the rice as well. Salt and pepper to taste again. And I cook for about until the rice kind of starts getting soft. And that's the time when I have to place it in my cooking pan. I have my oven preheated to 375. I'll spread the mix and add again water to cover the whole mix, just like that. Chicken thighs on the top, and I'll cover with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil, so I can keep my chicken thighs soft and moist on the inside. Baking for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's all cooked, it smells delicious. I just want to do one more thing. Have it back in the oven to broil for 1 or 2 minutes. I want this extra crisp on my chicken and on my rice and my mushrooms. And there it is. That's what I want. I will sprinkle some chopped Italian parsley on the top over the whole dish, and it's yummy and smells delicious. And I'm starving, I can't wait. Here's the chicken. It's crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. My rice and mushrooms are absolutely amazing, delicious. And I'll have my dinner now, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make probably one of the best baked chicken recipes. Hi guys, I am Viva. Welcome to my chicken. Today